चीज आने से पहले मुझे बड़ा अजीब लगता है कि मैं जाके सबको अनाउंस कर रहा हूँ कि ये देख मैंने दुनिया का काम किया है, मैंने ना ऑस्कर विनिंग परफॉर्मेंस दी है। आई रिमेम्बर व्हेन द सॉन्ग केम आउट, शी इज लाइक ग्रेट सॉन्ग यार, पराई औरत के साथ तुमने गाना किया है, बहुत अच्छा किया है।
Okay, so how important has Richa been in your life?
Well, very. I think the fact that we are planning to get married says a lot. But no, on a personal note, I think I've taken a lot of inspiration from her. I've been a big fan of hers anyway, so I guess it adds up, and I like someone who has her own head and does not shy away from saying it and saying the right thing, not because it is supposed to be the right thing, but um, you know, be it humor, be it serious issues. And because I feel like we are not just actors, we when the day I became an actor, it's a I don't know, I feel it's a responsibility. I feel we can't ignore that the world around us is constantly changing, and we are out here in this public forum, um, you know just not just telling stories, right? Otherwise we're all in our bubbles, happy telling stories and making money, and that will keep happening. So
So
I
as a
like
person, how has she impacted you as a person, in terms of your personality?
I think there's a lot of spiritualism that has come into, or rather I've taken from her, and our relationship, I think, really has grown together. So as a person, um, small things like, actually, if I confess, like saving electricity, saving water, these are things that we would I know that I've been brought up ऐसे आराम से in a place where people wouldn't think about these things, कि वो तो है. And just looking at the world bit by bit, and seeing the smaller things, I think that is really I don't know, something I've taken from her. Yeah.
Okay, so let's take a few questions. So this is Hayat Khan 786. Ali Bhai, just want to say one thing. Go Martinian. Very proud of you on behalf of all the Martinians
अरे
and
वाह.
from the people of Lucknow.
थैंक यू सो मच मार्टिन. सो मैं लमार्टनियर में था क्लास 7th तक. सो मेरा काफी पुराना रिश्ता है, हमारी फैमिलीज भी वहाँ पढ़ी हैं. माय मदर, माय मामूज एंड ऑल दीज पीपल हैव स्टडीड इन अलीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी, एंड देन Lamartine College. Of course, after Lamartine, I went to Doon. I was in Dehradun for the next 6 years, 7 years, and then Bombay for college. तो या मार्ट मतलब ऐसे काफी नोटोरियस रहा है वहां पे. मैं पिटा बहुत हूँ फरीदुन भाई. एज अ किड आई नो, लाइक लोगों की स्टोरीज होती है ना, मेरी ये स्टोरीज हैं. मैं बहुत पंगे ले लेता था और मैं पिटता बहुत था. सो आई रिमेम्बर मार्ट फॉर मी इज दैट, कि भाई हॉकी स्टिक लेके ऐसे जा रहे हैं, कॉल्विन के लड़के आ रहे हैं, हाँ बस रेडी है, यू नो.
So that all that is coming into Mirzapur.
No, yeah, no. What in Mirzapur, I'm beating everybody. But
Okay, that
yeah,
world maybe. Okay. So this is Mukti Singh 7355. आपकी शायरी बहुत खूबसूरत रहती है.
मेरी शायरी शायरी नहीं है. मेरी शायरी, if it is anything, it breaks the rules of शायरी. It is sometimes just a rant, and I say it as I think it. I don't know if it follows any rules of poetry or verse or whatever, but yeah. But I like writing. If that is the question, I am writing scripts. I read a lot, so I think something
What do you like to read?
different. I mean, of course, आजकल मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ, एक 2-3 किताबें हैं. It's one thing I can multitask with. एक तो है very interesting book. You should. In fact, Rana ma'am did a live chat
Rana
with
Safvi.
Ali. Yeah, Rana Safi. She did a live chat with Ali Saab yesterday on his book. So he had gifted me this book called Of Poetry and Belonging. Ali Khan Mahmoodabad ne likhi hai. And I think you should read it. I'll send you the photo of it, and if you
Sure.
get time.
Sure.
Then I'm reading a book by Uta Hagen. It is a book called Respect for Acting. Also because I never got to study acting, so sometimes I just read and learn the grammar from these places. I finished another book by a Japanese writer जिसका नाम मैं sorry pronounce नहीं कर पाता हूँ. Heigo something. It's called Malice. So yeah, it चल रहा है.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Great. Phenomenal. Okay, the filmy thing is saying, भैया फुकरे 3 का प्लान क्या है?
मैंने सुनने में आया फुकरे 3 का प्लान है, एंड बहुत जोर शोर से आई थिंक उस पे काम चल रहा है. I don't know when we'll shoot it. I think the whole world is on a pause right now, and we've all been pushed. So let's see. I had a release also in October this year. I don't know now what's happening. We have no idea. I think right now we're only focusing on just creating some good content. It's a great time for writers, and even singers who can sit in their homes and actually record. So yeah, let's see. I'm sure
In
kuch
fact,
bana pura.
I did a live chat with Sasha Tirupati, the singer.
Oh, you went live?
No, I did a live chat with Sasha Tirupati, and she told me that she's having this mic and a system at her home, and she's saying that I'm recording more stuff now than what I used to do in normal circumstances. She's recording at her home.
Exactly.
And
Isn't that amazing?
Professional stuff. Yeah. Which is okay,
Yeah,
Mohammed Shoaib 8 is saying Fast and Furious. So, how do you look at this stint that you've had with the West?
I feel very blessed. I feel blessed because suddenly it's opened my head and taken me out of the, how do I say, the Bollywood bubble, which is nothing bad, but it's just that I know that I will never have, I have nothing to lose in one spot. मैंने एक पैर वहाँ रखा हुआ है. There are 2 projects happening there. I've just finished up Death on the Nile, which is Agatha Christie's book. And it's also the second part after Murder on the Orient Express आई थी ना 2-3 साल पहले.
Right.
So this time we're doing Death on the Nile. We finished that just December में खत्म किया हमने. Then there's another war biopic happening with me again as the lead in it. It's on Iraq war. वो inshallah I think it will come in good time. We haven't started shoot yet. So yeah, it's nice. I mean, if you ask me on a very personal, youth level, my biggest takeaway has been that the academy put me into their, I'm an academy member now, and I remember there was a time when, as college kids, we used to not get movies on time because we used to follow the awards, right?
Right.
तो हम download करते थे. and I shouldn't be saying this, but we were, because वो time पे release नहीं होती थी. तो अब क्या है कि मेरा उस एंगल से ना मुझे फ्री में पिक्चरें मिल जाती हैं देखने को. तो because I'm voting now, so I'm very happy. One way or the other.
Okay. The interesting part is that in spite of the stint that you've had with the West and some really, I think, significant films you've worked with some really big actors, but still you continue to remain grounded and level-headed.
Of course, I'm only human, so sometimes I also feel like maybe I should just एक ढिंडोरा पीटना चाहिए हर जगह. But I realize that's not how things work, even in rest of the world, because I don't know, I always get कि मैं ना चीज आने से पहले मुझे बड़ा अजीब लगता है कि मैं जाके सबको अनाउंस कर रहा हूँ कि ये देख मैंने दुनिया का काम किया है, मैंने ना ऑस्कर विनिंग परफॉर्मेंस दी है. जो एक्टर वो बोल दे कि मैंने ऑस्कर विनिंग परफॉर्मेंस दी है, मतलब आई एम सॉरी बट लाइक नो मैटर हु द हेल यू आर, दैट्स dumb shit. Like I'm sorry, that's really that's really stupid thing to do. So I actually heard someone say that. Sorry. So yeah. So I think it's better to sort of wait for the work to speak, and that's it. I also see the media, it works very selectively, right? Not just, we don't bombard like how we do here in India, which is also, it works because it has to reach to the bottom, everybody. But I know now what a template is before a Bollywood release. 1 month before, you start bombarding the trailer. Next few days, you do print. Then again, 1 week before the release, you're doing all studio visits and front page, back page, and that's it. Um, so those things you have to step away from. Like, I know that chatting with you, I follow all your interviews, and I actually watch them because they're the one meaningful platform where some things are actually discussed, for the, like, you look into our eyes and talk to us. I'm sorry, like, that's one very rare thing.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
No, so that's why I was very excited about, at least, even if I know it's a very weird way to chat online. But
No.
but again, you were one of the
But
first people who used it. I remember seeing you first time on Bobby Jasus ka set. I remember when you had this iPad, and I was like, yaar, ye to bada cool hai yaar. Matlab kuch buzzer questions are about to happen.
in
So,
Hyderabad, yeah, in Hyderabad, of course. All right, so this is Vishant saying Guddu ko to house arrest ka already practice hai.
Yeah. That's if someone wrote about AMU. अच्छा. हाँ, मुझे थोड़ी practice है because of house arrest. But again, it all changes the moment it's involuntary. So none of all that works. I did a movie. It's on Netflix right now, and उसकी interestingly promotion हो रही है. But I think it's too posh and too clean and too whatever to reflect the time we are actually going through. So no, बर्तन धो, पोछा लगाओ, and cook if you can.
How does Richa react to your female fans?
She's damn hilarious, यार. वो जाके वहीं पे बोल देती है कि एक दिन I remember when the song came out, she's like, great song, yeah. पराई औरत के साथ तुमने गाना किया है, बहुत अच्छा किया है. So she she says it with a great humor.
We want to see you on Coffee with Karan.
Oh, I've done one stint with Karan. That was, I don't know, what was it? What is Love or something that came out the show.
Yeah. So can we see you doing like a Dharma movie or something like that?
I don't know, why not? I would love to. Hell yeah. I think there are big movies. I haven't been approached yet. I should probably ask Karan. And I don't know. Let's see.
Because I think they're making all sorts of movies.
They're making some great stuff.
And,
I think yeah. I think even Yash Raj, Dharma, they're all making like really, really cool stuff. I'm open, man. I'm really I think I've always been very hungry for good scripts to come my way. There have been times when I've not had great scripts, but I've just done them because मतलब थे यार, करना था कुछ. So I think that's the next stage. Yeah.
You've done a web series for Virus.
Oh, that was one of the first. It was a 1.5 hour, 15-minute episodes निकाले थे, I remember, of Band Baja Barat and or Bang Baja Barat, whatever it was called. So it became a hit. It was one of the first of its kind. It was, I think, a trial and error.
Exactly.
Yeah, and it worked.